Today, I'm going to share my review of the Hisense L9Q, one of the most impressive high-end laser TVs currently on the market. If you're looking for a massive cinematic display that can actually perform well in bright rooms, this might just be the option for you. Let's start with the key performance features. The L9Q packs an incredible 5000 ANSI lumens of brightness, making it capable of producing a vibrant 150-inch image even in spaces with some ambient light. Paired with an ambient light rejection screen, it feels much closer to a traditional TV experience, but on a much larger scale. When it comes to HDR, the L9Q is a standout. It supports Dolby Vision and delivers excellent brightness and contrast, outperforming many projectors that struggle in HDR mode. The overall HDR experience here feels closer to a premium TV than a projector. The design and audio upgrades are also worth highlighting. Hisense has gone for a sleek, premium look with metal accents and black walnut finishes, making the unit feel like a centerpiece in a modern living room. On top of that, the built-in DVLA-tuned 6.2.2 channel audio system with Dolby Atmos is truly impressive. For most users, you won't even need a separate soundbar. In terms of smart features and connectivity, the L9Q runs on Google TV, giving you access to all the major streaming apps, plus built-in voice controls. It's also future-proofed with HDMI 2.1 and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring smooth compatibility with the latest devices. Now, a few downsides. The black levels aren't as deep as what you'd get from dedicated home theater projectors, and of course, this is a premium product with a premium price tag. In summary, the Hisense L9Q is one of the brightest, most feature-packed laser TVs available, offering a luxurious, large-scale cinematic experience that can genuinely replace a traditional TV for screens larger than 100 inches. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.